Ho, 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 it is day 20 of December. We're rolling into Christmas here very soon for those of you who celebrate that holiday. And today we're going to be revealing day 20 of the Diamond Press Advent Calendar for 2025. Like before, I've said, if you've been following along, I've done a day, each day of the calendar, and I show you what's behind the door, and then I show you a project that I made with those products. So we're on day 20 and it happens to be right here. I just had my hand on it. I didn't even have to look for it. Let's see what is behind door 20. I finished up my shopping. Now I have to do all my wrapping. But I like doing that. It's fun. And I have some of those Diamond Press paper bows that they were selling that I'm going to use this year to put on some of my packages. Okay, day 20. Let's see. Well, there is no image there, so I don't know what's in here. Ah, more bling. And it's very blingy, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, and they're cute. They're super cute. They look like let me see if I can take it out of the package if you would see it better on the camera, because the camera on this shiny packaging. Okay, that's better. Oh my gosh, look how blingy these are. So cute. So there's this is like a light blue, there's a purple, and kind of a paler pink color. These are really pretty Easter type colors, I think, or spring, and some white ones. Very nice. You know me, I love bling. So I will show you what I use these on. All right, here we are with the day 20 prize. Behind door number 20 are these beautiful gemstones. They're self-adhesive gemstones, and as you can see, they're super shiny. And we have purple, blue, white, and a kind of a pink color. And let me just hold one of them up. Look how sparkly they are. I mean, they are just gorgeous. It's almost like they're dimensional, they're raised up, and they almost look like crystals on it as far as how shiny and sparkly they are. So they're really pretty. So we're going to be making a card today, and we're going to do an A2 card. I'm going to turn it this way. And I did use, for inspiration, besides the gemstones, I used some more scraps from that boutique pad, since it's sitting here on my desk. And we have a piece of polka dot paper, and the back side of the polka dot paper is that stripe. So we're going to be putting this together. And we're just going to do this pretty quickly. And I'm going to show you how to use those gemstones to add a little bit of fun and sparkle to your card today. And hopefully it's something that maybe it's new to you. Okay, so I've got that piece of the polka dot cardstock, and then I'm going to apply. Now this is a 2-inch strip that I cut of the pattern paper with the stripe. And it's going to go down here on the bottom of the card, across the bottom. Let me just line that up well. There we go. So we've got this part, da 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 da. And then for the embellishments, I went back to day day 9, where we had that dog with the balloons, and I made a set of balloons because I'm going to make a fun birthday card. So I used the balloons from day 9. And then yesterday we had that really cute banner set from day 19, and I made a little "Oh Happy Day" banner. And if you want to see that again, go back and look at day 19. I show you how to make the banner. And then we're going to put these on the card, and then we're going to use our gemstones to jazz this up. All right, so to do that, I am going to be using I'm using my craft knife just because I find that to be easy to lay it down. There's also a pick tool, you know, that you can, people use gemstones on. Since these are self-adhesive on the back, I don't have to worry about adding any glue or anything. But we're going to go ahead and add the gemstones first before we add our embellishments to the card to complete it. So I'm going to start with a purple. And I'm just going to add, a row of these across the top of my card. So I wanted to alternate the colors, so I'm going to do and I'm not doing it I'm not doing it close together. I'm leaving a little bit of a gap between each color. And since I'm using a stripe paper, it makes it easy because I can just line it up with the stripe. And I'll show you here in a minute, once we get these on, how cute it is up close. Okay, I just want to keep alternating in that same color. But you could do this, you can add every you know, keep them close together if you'd rather do that. I just thought it would be more fun to kind of alternate them. And it's only going to take a second. Get the pink off of here. They are just gorgeous. The shine on these is unbelievable. When you see them in person, you're going to love them. They're going to be great for so many different things. But today I just wanted to show you how I'm using them as a border enhancement on my card. Let's get this on there. I'm having so much fun playing with all the wonderful things that are in the Advent calendar, and as of yesterday, I did not look this morning, but it is still, that Advent calendar is still available over on HSN if you are so inspired and would like to go get one. There's a link in the description of this video where I have it for you so you can easily find it. Let's see, and I need a pink one to complete it. That worked out perfectly. Okay, so here I have those on there. Look how sparkly and shiny they are. They just look like a little party going on this card. Speaking of party, let's get our balloons on. I've already, what I did was I made 2 sets of the balloons, and then I cut a third set because the balloons were in pairs. So I did 2 sets of the balloons with this band with the string, and then I cut another one, but then I cut one of the balloons, this balloon, apart and added it to the back, so I have the colors on here that match my pattern paper. So that's how I decided what colors to make those. And that was all the way back at day 9. We're on day 20 now. But it's been fun to go back and reuse some of the really wonderful elements that we've received. And then this card, this is going to go here. I put some foam tape on it. This is from day 19 where we made the banners. And as you can see here, instead of using white cardstock, I used blue that matches the stripes and the dots on my card, and then I used the dark pink, and I alternated the banner. So one of those little flags I pushed further down on the left of the banner, and then on the other side I raised it up so it gives it a lot of movement. And I'm going to put my little banner happy day sentiment on there, and we have a card finished with beautiful, sparkly, shimmery, glittery gemstones from day 20. I hope you guys enjoyed this and you give some thought to using your gemstones in a different way. And be sure and come back tomorrow for day 21 of the Diamond Press event calendar. And we'll make another fun project, whatever is behind door number 21. Be sure and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I love to hear from you. And I hope you guys have a great day.